Hi everyone, this is Mark here from Simply Enough. Trust everybody is doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make stir-fry vermicelli, or Char Mee Hoon. But this version it's a little bit luxurious because it has a bit of spam and also pork belly, and eggs as well. So let me take you through the ingredients. In terms of what we're going to need to make this dish. Obviously, vermicelli. Right here, I have about 200 grams of dehydrated vermicelli that has been rehydrated in water. So right now, it should be about 400 grams to 500 grams in weight. This will comfortably fit 3 to 4 people. Next up, in terms of the ingredients, we're gonna need a bit of garlic, shallots. I'm going to use a whole can of spam. I'm going to cut into cubes. Eggs, a bit of pork belly, and this is just iceberg lettuce that I'm going to slice up for the end as garnishing. So these are the raw ingredients that we're going to use. And next, I'm going to show you how to make the seasoning that you need in order to fry the vermicelli. So for the seasoning, we would need 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, followed by 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of rice wine and about a cup of water. So let's now chop up some garlic, roughly chopped will do, and then followed by thinly slicing up the shallots, and I'm going now to cut the spam or luncheon meat into cubes so that we can fry it later. And last but not least, I'm gonna roughly chop up the pork belly. So lastly, I'm gonna roughly chop up the iceberg lettuce that will be used for garnish towards the end. Next, we are going to fry up the spam or luncheon meat until it is golden brown. So now let's begin making the vermicelli, the Char Mee Hoon. We first saute the shallots, garlic and pork belly. So guys, I found that I've left some leftover cabbage and carrot in the fridge. So this is a good time to utilize all the leftover vegetables that you have in the fridge, like stock here and stuff. So you can put everything into the wok and fry together with your vermicelli. So in goes with the leftover vegetables and give it a good stir. Next, we put in the vermicelli and then give it a good mix. Now we add in about half of the seasoning that we made earlier on, and then give it a good mix again. After mixing for a while and everything looks nicely coated, create a well in the middle and add in your eggs. Here I have 3. Add in a bit of the seasoning and then give it a good stir. Fold the vermicelli in and give it a good mix again. Right now, add in half of the spam that we fried earlier on and give it a good mix together and then serve. Last but not least, let's garnish it with the cut iceberg lettuce and the remaining spam that we fried earlier on. There you have it guys, fried vermicelli with spam, pork belly and eggs. Enjoy!